Hi, hello, and how do you do? We all welcome you. This is where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi, hello.
Hi dear students, welcome back to our educational channel. Dear students, in the previous class, we have been discussing our third lesson. That is, we all have the right to sing. Lesson number 3, we all have the right to sing, and we had discussed many paragraphs in the 3 parts. So this is the fourth part of this lesson, and also we will conclude this lesson in this video. So in this video we are going to learn about reading last 6 paragraphs, explanation and theme of the lesson, what we learned about this lesson. So this is the fourth part and also last part of the lesson. We will complete this lesson in this video. Are you ready, students? So before I am going to start today's paragraphs, I would like to ask you a few questions which have related to the previous paragraphs. Are you ready, students? Here is the first one question. What was the competition? In the previous class, we discussed that when the Baiju entered in the palace court, King Akbar became angry, and then Tansen requested him to have competition. What was that competition? Yes, that is singing competition. So he asked the permission to have singing competition. It will be clear, immediately clear, who is a better singer. Then the competition has begun. Next question. Who were participated in the competition? Of course, who? Baiju and Tansen. Baiju and Tansen. So the competition, which competition? Singing competition was held between Baiju and Tansen. Next question. Who organized the competition? Of course, who? Emperor Akbar. So when Tansen requested him to have the competition, then Emperor Akbar agreed and he has given the permission to begin the competition. Then first Baiju sang and he got appreciation to the who are present in the hall from them. Even a herd of deer was impressed by his singing, so directly entered in the hall, in the court, and when he stopped, the deer left the hall. So the herd of deer also given complete attention of his singing. So next what happened? Let us see in this video. So with this we will move on to the next paragraphs. So put your finger and listen carefully. Shahanshah, if Tansen can bring the deer back into the hall by his singing, I will accept him as my guru. Then whatever punishment you decide, I will willingly honor it. So when he stopped, Baiju stopped his singing, the deer left the hall. Then Baiju said to the King Akbar, "Sir, I have sang the song and I impressed everyone. Now the Tansen has to bring the deer back into the hall by his singing. I will accept him as my guru. I will accept my lost, and also I accept he is a better than singer to me. He is only best singer, and also I will accept whatever you may give punishment. I will willingly honor it. That punishment I'll accept happily as my honor. So then, next paragraphs. Tansen looked at the emperor and seeking his blessings, he began to sing. He sang very well, but the deer did not return. So when Baiju has given the challenge to the Tansen, so by his singing he brought into the hall a herd of deer. If the Tansen brings the deer back, I'll accept the defeat. Means he will accept as his guru, and also he accept his punishment whatever they have given, because he can't sing better than Tansen. It will be proved if he brings the deer back. So then Tansen accepted his challenge, and he looked at the emperor. Means he wanted to ask the permission to sing, and then he blessed. The King Akbar blessed and given the permission to sing. Then Tansen began to sing, and he too sang very well. Everybody impressed by his singing, but the deer did not come. The deer did not return. So next, what happened? Let's see. Akbar was not happy. Even Tansen was upset, but not losing confidence in himself, he said, "Your Majesty, it was by accident that the deer came when Baiju sang. If he can bring back the deer again, I will concede defeat." So, when the deer did not return by his singing, when he was singing, Tansen, Akbar became unhappy. He too also sad. Why? Because he was before he told that only Tansen sing great, sing best in the world, but now he did not bring the deer by his singing. He can bring the rain, he can do anything by his singing, but the deer did not return by his singing. So King Akbar wasn't happy about his performance. Who's Tansen? Even Tansen was also disappointed. Tansen also disappointed by his performance. and but not losing his confidence himself, he said that Shahanshah, maybe it was by accident the group of deer entered while singing the baiju. By accident they may be entered in the court, and he has given the challenge to the baiju. If he can bring back again the deer, I will concede the defeat. So Tansen given the challenge to the baiju. So first baiju has given the challenge, he accepted and he sang, but he did not proved that challenge. He returned given to the baiju. If the deer came back again, I will concede, means I will accept defeat. I will accept my defeat. Defeat means here not winner, not I am victory, I am not better singer. I will accept. He is a singer better than me. I will concede the defeat. So next, put your finger. The emperor signaled baiju to start singing. Within minutes, the deer returned to the hall. One of them had the marigold necklace round its neck. The deer came close to baiju, bent its head, and the garland slipped and fell on baiju's thanpura. So when the Tansen has given the challenge to the baiju, then Emperor Akbar has given the permission to sing again and bring back that herd of deer by his singing. So within a few minutes, the deer entered. The deer returned back in the hall. Everybody was impressed by his magic, by his singing magic, and also one of them had the marigold necklace. Who in the group of deer, one of the deer is baiju put a marigold necklace, marigold garland. So that necklace garland, who were the deer, one of the deer came closer to the baiju, and bent its head. The deer bent its head and the garland slipped and fell on baiju's thanpura. So that much was impressed his singing. He was impressed, the deer impressed, and thankfully he fell on, the deer fell on that garland on Baiju Thanpura. So by seeing this incident in the court, who are presented, all are become impressed. So he accepted the challenge and proved that he can sing better than Tansen, Baiju. He brought a herd of deer back again 2 times, but Tansen did not bring them 1 time also. So it is proved that Baiju can sing better than Tansen. Is it clear? So next, moving on to the next paragraphs. The entire hall echoed with applause. The emperor asked Baiju, "How can I honor you? Ask and you shall receive." So entire hall echoed with applause means they are all echoed means they are all telling wow wow wow. It's very nice. It's very nice performance. So he win the competition. Who is the winner? Baiju win the competition and he proved that he can sing better than Tansen. So the emperor asked him, "How can I honor you?" Because he is a winner. So he has to honor him. So he asked him, "As your wish, I can honor you." Then Baiju answered. Baiju answered, happy tears flowing down his cheeks. "Release my relatives, whom you had imprisoned 10 years back for singing on the streets of Agra, and allow people to sing in praise of the Lord." So when the King Akbar wanted to honor him, he asked him to, "How can I honor?" So then Baiju, flowing down the happy tears, he is crying with happily because he achieved his goal, and he is in front of King Akbar and he is wanted to honor him. Then he was happily flowing the tears. He said that, "Shahanshah, or Your Majesty, please release my relatives." Who that relatives? You had imprisoned, whom you had imprisoned 10 years back for singing on the street of Agra. So please, they are all my relatives. So please release them and also allow them to sing in praise of Lord in the street, in every street. And also I request you, please allow who wish to sing in praise of Lord, please allow that people to sing in praise of Lord. So then, needless to say, his wish was granted. Needless means without thinking, without any delay, he granted his wish. So this is the complete explanation of this lesson. Which lesson? We all have the right to sing. Now I am going to explain briefly today's paragraphs by showing the pictures. Look at the pictures. When the deer left the hall, Baiju has given the challenge to the Tansen. What that is? Tansen has to bring the deer back into the hall by his singing. So he wanted to defeat that if he is a winner. Who? The Tansen. Then King Akbar given the permission to the Tansen to sing and bring the deer, but he did not bring. The deer did not return back by his singing. Then Tansen said that it was by accident, and he has given the challenge to the Baiju. If Baiju can bring back the deer again, I will accept my defeat, means my lost. I admit lost. When he started singing, Within a minute, the herd of deer came into the hall and they came close to the Baiju. One of the deer came close to the Baiju and put the garland on Baiju's Thanpura. So in the hall, who are present in the hall, entire hall echoed with applause, means they are appreciated him and his performance. Then King Akbar wanted to honor him. He said to, how can I honor? Then he said with a tearful, Baiju, he said that please release my relatives whom you had imprisoned 10 years back and allow them to sing in praise of Lord. Then without thinking, the King Akbar granted his wish. So he was become very happy, and that group released, and he got that family, his relatives, and they started their profession, singing in praise of Lord. So this is the complete explanation of the lesson. We all have the right to sing. I hope it is clear to you all. Is it? Yes. Now, what is the theme of this lesson? What we learnt about this lesson? Do you know, children? Yes. So think before you speak or say something. So the King Akbar, without thinking, he announced the wish. That is not fair, is it? That is not right. So everybody think before you speak or say something. So I hope it is clear to you all. Now take down the homework. Write the question answer in English notebook one time and read the whole lesson 2 times. Is it clear? Okay. So we will back with a new lesson in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you, my dear students.